Hello, Kevin. Hello, teacher. Kevin, are you ready? Yes, I am. Can you show teacher where is rooster? Yes, where's rooster? Point to rooster. Rooster. Cockle-doodle-doo. Rooster. Yes, say rooster. Okay, where is cow? Yes, cow. Where is cow? Moo, moo. It is this one. Cow. Where is pig? Yes, pig. So, where's pig? Pig. Where is sheep? Sheep. Meh, meh. There we go. Where is duck? Quack, 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 quack. Yes, good. Where is goat? Ba, goat. This one. Okay, where is hen? Hen. Clap, 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 clap. Hen. Huh? This one. Yes, and where is pig? Oink, 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 oink. Good. Okay, now, Kevin, can you tell teacher what animal is this? It's a dog. Good. A dog say? Dog. A dog say woof. Good. Okay, what animal is this? It's a pig. A pig say oink oink. Kevin, what animal is this? It's a duck. It's a duck. A duck say quack quack. Okay, what animal is this? It's a cat. A cat say meow, meow. What animal is this? It's a horse. Horse. Okay, and what animal is this? It's a sheep. Sheep. And what animal is this? It's a rooster. Good. What animal is this? A cow say moo, moo. And what animal is this? It's a goat. Good. And what animal is this? Hen. And what animal is this? Mouse. It's a mouse. And what animal is this? Perfect. It's a chick. And last one, it's a rabbit. Rabbit. High five. Thank you.